Hello, my viewers. We are at the National Assembly of Nigeria. Here is the Senate. Here is the House of Rep chambers. And we are here to provide evidential updates on the state creation. Look, one state, an additional state, was approved by this National Assembly for the Southeast, not for the South-South. Let us get this thing clear. Those of you who are supporting Anioma, that Anioma state should be created, then they can now join the Southeast. You are getting it wrong. Anioma is already in the South-South. This state approval was made specifically for the Southeast. Already, the leaders of the Southeast Caucus, has already voted and adopted Anim state, the one that is made up of 13 local governments from Imo and Anambra. There is no more opening for voting or for argument or for debate which one should be submitted. So they have made their choice, and their choice is in accordance with the aspirations and demands of the Southeast, so that it will increase political representation and other benefits. So Anim, Anambra and Imo has been voted for. So there is no need. Those who are protesting at the Delta State, remember, all the House of Assembly members in Delta State has already signed that they don't want Anioma to join the Southeast. All the local government chairmen has already signed. I have the document. I am going to attach the document. I'm going to put the document signed under this post. So you should know what we are. We are not here for sentiment. The Southeast has made their choice. Let the South-South wait until there is another state creation opportunity. When Anioma is created, it should be in the South-South. Then if they want to come home, let them come home and merge with existing states in the Southeast. That should be a homecoming. That you are an Igbo person living in Delta State does not take away your Igbo-ness or your history. You are still an Igbo man, but stay in the South-South. Thank you, and may God bless you.
You all have heard what that young man said. That young man is from those Anim area. He's one of those people that are agitating to have Anim state. All he's saying there is propaganda and lies. And if you look very well, there is no news outlet, news media, national TV that talked about it. It's for you to know that this boy is spreading propaganda. Look at these pictures here. These pictures are from his social media handle on Facebook. He has been agitating for Anim state for so long. Look at how he's demarketing Anioma state. For his information, 3 Southeast states are in full support of Anioma state. Few days ago, a politician from Abia State said that there are some people from Anioma land that gave him $30,000 to vote against Anioma State, but he rejected that offer. This is proof that the alleged rumor that we posted on social media a few days ago is actually true. 3 states from the Southeast are in full support of Anioma State: Abia State, Ebonyi State, and Imo State. Anambra State and Enugu State are one of the issues that we are having now. Enugu State is only against the creation of Anioma State because they want other states. But for this boy to come out and be saying that the Southeast have given up Anioma State, that what they want is Anim State, is totally false and misleading. This young man is lying. If there is a state to be created for the Southeast, if not Anioma State, then it should be other states and not Anim State. So, my people, disregard this information. This young man is lying. There is nothing as such. All those things is just propaganda to buy the conscience of our brothers in the Southeast that are in full support of Anioma State to be created. That guy is from Anim area. He is one of those people agitating for Anim State. No be today we know that guy, don't they? If to say another person from another area, they do the same, we go say, hey. Imagine, it's not even someone from another area that did this video. People, they look for a TT state, not be from that area. He is from Imo State. This is to tell you that this boy is only trying to use propaganda to favor Anim State. But whether he likes it or not, The Southeast does not want Anim State. What the Southeast wants is Anioma State. And I'm calling on all Southeast lawmakers to stand with Senator Debunking and make sure that we get this Anioma State. The only state that the Southeast needs right now is Anioma State, not Anim State, not Adada State, not Etiti State. Disregard that information, my people. Only Anioma State will be created for the Southeast. Ishiogwale.